Time to get busy, convicts. Proceed with your mission now.
The enemy is watching from above. Stay in or below the clouds to keep hidden. That means no missiles. Even you lot should understand that. Talk about an enclosed space. What's more enclosed than solitary? Commence operation. That's your target radar. Destroy the anti-air weapons around it, too.
Enemies are attacking! Enemy aircraft are heading this way! Just drive them away. Chase them upward. Lead them into the missile.
What if the radar isn't under a cloud? Destroy it, and then scurry for cover if you value your life. I thought you'd say that. You're in plain view, Spare 15. Get back to the clouds. Destroy radar sites. You're still under satellite observation. Watch out for missiles. Feels like I'm being watched by a pack of fan dogs. Their missiles are guided by a combination of the satellite and the radar facility. So if the radar facility is destroyed, their missiles should stop hitting their targets. Are you sure you can trust that intel? Who knows? Only one way to find out. Cancel alert. Remember that satellite is up there. Spare 15, target destroyed.
Bring them down with the anti-air guns! What happened with the missile?
Spare 15, locked. Visibility low. Radar site confirmed destroyed. However, not all radars have been taken out. The satellite's still in operation. They sure aren't making things easy for us. Damn it, they're making us do something, but just what? It's a dangerous operation, but it's better than running through a minefield blind, I guess. You're so naive, Tabloid. What we're doing is exactly like running through a minefield blind. Silence. If you've got time to yap, you're not doing your job right. Got in using a trick any amateur can think of. Picked up a bunch of intel. Full man, that's your second strike. There won't be a third.
Missile.
Here comes the anti-air missile.
Missile. Missile. Missile.
No, you're using them to fight. Target destroyed. 2 to go.
Caution. Pull up. Caution. Pull up.
I got my hands on a password, and after some digging around, I found a bunch of stuff.
I'm not sure you understand what you're saying, Spare 6.
I'll let you in on it when we're home, Bad Dog. In this war, intel is a life or death matter.
I think you might be right.
Caution. Missile.
Missile incoming. Spare 15. Evade.
Missile. Missile. Missile.
Chaff and flares are running low. Locked.
Missile.
Hide in the clouds, Spare 15.
Missile.
Radar site destroyed. Show the last one the same hospitality.
Pull up.
I almost got hit by AA fire.
Caution. Pull up.
Missile launched. Spare 15, target destroyed. All targets destroyed. That's the last of the radar sites we needed to destroy. That probably put a stop to their satellite's missile guidance capabilities. Someone fly above the clouds.
How about you two?
I like the sound of that.
Pull up.
Do with the exercise.
Caution. Pull up.
Wait a minute. Hold it.
What's going on, Bad Dog?
This is the Air Force Base 444 Squadron. What is your affiliation?
Nobody told me there was this many nearby. Incoming Allied fighters. Respond.
The regular forces don't want anything to do with the penal base.
Hey, they have radar lock.
The IFF says they're allies. Missile, whoa, time out. Don't tell me they're barrier troops.
They're picking us off.
Missile.
Someone's on me. Is he an enemy?
Missile.
Evade!
Ocean fighters do not attack. Shit.
Missile.
These guys aren't allies.
Are they spoofing our IFF?
Modern IFF connects to our strategic system via satellites. It can't be decoded. What the hell?
What about markings and craft type?
There's no time. The enemy showing no mercy.
Who's on my tail? Is it an enemy?
At this rate, no one's going to get out alive. All aircraft head into the clouds. Get out of the enemy's sight.
And then what? Information regarding IFFs is top secret. There's no way they can make it fake.
I'm hit. I'm done.
Hey, the enemy's working in coordination. All aircraft, gather around me. I mean Trigger. What? Bandog, can you register Trigger and the blips around him as friendlies?
What are you thinking? What good is that?
What other choice do we have?
Missile.
Sure.
Missile. Caution. Pull up.
All right, all aircraft, form up on Trigger, nice and tight. Bandog, it's on you.
Full band, what's your location?
The tail end.
Understood. I've sent new ID data. Enemies will be marked as enemies. Yeah, my radar display's been updated. Shoot them all down. On them!
No way I'm dying out here.
This is the penal unit. I decide when you die.
Shit! Trigger, they have a lock on you.
Missile. Missile. Missile.
Projectile incoming. New blips on radar.
Tell us what's happening. Come on!
God damn it, not right now.
That doesn't sound good.
Air contact incoming at high speed. It's too fast to be an aircraft. It's not an aircraft. What is it?
What do we do? What's going on?
Five, four, three, two, one. Here it comes.
That's Shockwave!
The aircraft's gonna break up. Huh? Incoming transmission from HQ. Their weapon is codenamed Helios. It's a long-range missile carried by Arsenal birds.
Arsenal birds?
Why are they aiming for us? Sending over the predicted impact zone. It's coming in hot.
Damn, you're working quick today, Bandog.
Get too chatty and you'll die.
Missile. Missile.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Don't get caught.
How can they fire like that when they've got allies in the airspace? Don't they care about the pilots?
Half of the targets remaining. Locked. I need help. I'm on it. Projectile on radar. What's going on? I can't find a way out.
There's nowhere to run.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Direct hit and we're done. Now that we know who the enemy is, we might just get through this. He's too quick. He got away. Someone get him for me.
Missile. Missile.
Enemy dead ahead. He's mine.
Missile coming at you! Move it!
Helios spotted.
Evading!
I can't!
Missile.
Help me! Help!
Missile.
5, 4,
Missile.
3, 2, 1.
They got me!
There are a few targets remaining. Concentrate. Shoot down remaining hostiles. Damn. Helios inbound.
Warning, missile in the air!
Why does it have to be me?
Nearly there.
No matter what we do, the hell do we do?
Spare 3, bandit on your tail.
Another projectile incoming. It's a Helios again.
I can take a missile or two, no problem.
Helios incoming.
No matter of time, people will run it in. No big deal. Get your hands on shit like this.
We got this.
Count. 1 to go. Go get him.
1 to go. Where is it?
Count.
Righto, this is it. All right, I got the last one.
Oh, yeah! You like that, you dirty fake?
Damn it! God damn it! Why is this? What? Full band?
What the hell? Full band's down! Friendly fire? Didn't we get all the bandits?
Full band got tagged as an enemy.
What?
You did that on purpose, Bandog.
Did what?
Don't play dumb. Full band.
It was an accident. It got out of control. Return to base.
Son of a bitch!
The enemy is watching from above. Stay in or below the clouds to keep it.
The mission was dismissed.